Can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down. I'm the one for a good time call, phone's blowing up, ringing my doorbell. I feel the love, feel the love. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throw 'em back till I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throw 'em back till I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Throw 'em back till I can't count. Keep my guys full until morning light, 'cause I'm just holding on for tonight. Help me, I'm holding on for tonight. Won't look down, won't open my eyes. Keep my guys full until morning light, 'cause I'm just holding on for tonight, on for tonight. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. I am so excited to be using this kit because I've officially made it to graduation. I'm graduating from college. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. I had a job that I interviewed for last week. We'll see if I get it. But this kit came together so well. I love the graduation element. I love the color scheme. It just came together amazingly. Give this video a thumbs up if you think it did as well. And I have another graduation theme video coming in the future if I actually remember to edit it. And I'm just so happy that I finally made it to this point that I'm graduating for college with my own custom degree. And Actually, this week I don't have any real schoolwork to do. I had to finish a website for our art class, but it's not going to take me that long, hopefully. But other than that, I don't really have any schoolwork, so this is going to be a very chill week up until graduation. So, very excited for that. And I just want to give a shout out to Crystal Phyllis and Theadia for commenting in my last video. Thank you guys for commenting. I always love it when you guys comment. It makes my day. And if you want to get a shout out in next week's video, don't forget to comment below in this video. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week I'll be using this Neon Nights kit from the Glam Planner. This is something that I ordered in pre-sale. As you can tell, it was a long time ago because I haven't even opened it up yet. But I have like the little bop sticker from the pre-sales, so that's gonna be fun. And we got the glitter hairs, and then we have the actual kit here. So we have the freebie, and then we have this amazing double full box. And then we have all these beautiful stickers. So if you want to see when I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video. And so you officially become part of the Ivy League. But until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in the next video. Bye!